Hello YouTubers, this is Schoolhouse here. I previously made a video of this fan, but it only had 2 blades on it. Well, now as you can see now it has its intended 5. I got these blade irons here from Brain Hicks off of DT Vintage Fan Forums. It was very generous to have these for sale. Now as you can see here, this light kit actually does not match the finish of this fan. And this fan has a very odd finish, mainly because I think it's nickel, but at the same time it looks like it's brass. So I just call it nickel brass for the time being, until someone corrects me. The canopy, as you can see, is not an original Hunter canopy. They do work, and people say that you shouldn't use them, but if they hold up to 70 pounds, and I'm more than sure that they're going to hold this fan, because it only weighs about 40 to 45 pounds. The blades I got off of eBay as well. They're Casablanca Panama replacement blades, but they're pretty much the same fan blades that you can put on a Hunter. They fit on the blade irons just nicely. But anyway, demonstration of this 5-blade monster is in order. Starting with low. Has that first generation permanent split capacitor, awesome slow speed here. The new Hunter originals really don't have this type of low speed, so it's not nearly as epic. If you're wondering what's hanging off the blade there, that's a balancing clip. I haven't put a weight up there yet. So it wobbles just a little bit, but it's not really bad. Alright, go to medium. And this thing moves a shit ton of air. Excuse my language. It really does. I think even more so than my 4-blader in my room. Although I'll say the one downstairs, the one in the living room, the old time original, will definitely give it a run for its money, because that thing moves a lot of air. And let's go ahead and go to high speed. It's ridiculous how fast this thing spins on high. Sort of get it back into position so we can give a demonstration of the startup sound. Alright, go back here. Now let's see if we can get a good startup sound. My bad, it's on the switch, isn't it? And we'll let it coast down. For you viewers want to see it coast down. Details and specifications of this fan will be in the description. This is Corvette Coonhouse, and I am signing out.